Hello everyone, welcome to StuffedParty's YouTube channel. This is our short video review of this lovely stuffed parrot here. It's made by a company called Nici, and we found this one in Germany. It is a special import for Germany, as you can see on the label here. It's a very cute looking stuffed parrot, very soft to the touch, very cuddly. It has nice details. This is made from felt. If we focus, there we go. Well, the rest of the fur is very soft and cuddly. He has sewed-on eyes with small details on them. The overall attention to detail of the parrot is very nice, and he even has a hidden feature. He makes sounds. There's a built-in sound module on the bottom, and when you squeeze it, it makes sounds. The first one is hello, which is very cute, but the second one is a bit creepy. It sounds like he's having a fur ball. And the third one is even more creepy. It's probably meant to be a mixture of a laugh and a parrot growl, but still, it is a bit creepy. Even so, let's move on. The parrot has a built-in zipper on the bottom with which you can access the sound module and probably exchange it or change the batteries. It has a zipper right here, there we go, but it is a locked zipper, so you have to use a special tool inside here in order to unlock it, because without it you cannot unlock the zipper no matter how much you pull. This is very good because it means it's safe, and a child cannot open the toy and take out the stuffing from the inside, which makes it much more safer and for play. Overall, it's a very cute looking parrot. We'll definitely like it. It's a great addition to our collection. So if you want to see more stuffed animal reviews and other toy reviews, because we are making a lot more of them for you to come, stay tuned to our channel. Subscribe or simply follow us on our site, which is in the description. Thank you and see you later. Bye.